Tracking Tropical Storm Henri. Henri right now roughly 400 miles to the east of the Carolinas. It is a tropical storm, winds of 70, moving towards the northeast at 12, expected to become a Category 1 hurricane later today and then make landfall tomorrow afternoon across eastern Long Island, then move through the Sound and eventually end up in Connecticut. That's where we do have hurricane warnings in effect for parts of eastern Long Island, parts of Connecticut too. Otherwise, we have tropical storm warnings from Newport into Hartford and back over towards the 5 boroughs of New York City. The storm system again becoming a Category 1 later today, tomorrow afternoon, making landfall with winds of 80 miles an hour. Now, in addition to all of the strong winds, we're also going to have a storm surge and a good amount of flooding, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches or more of rain. And that's going to lead to some flooding across parts of New York City and into upstate New York. And then eventually the storm system weakens once it moves inland. And the computer model is in very good agreement, honing in on eastern Long Island around the Hamptons. Then after that, moving through the Sound and again into Connecticut. The first time that New England could see a hurricane since 1991, and that was Hurricane Bob, if anyone remembers. All right, so in the meantime, also tracking Hurricane Grace. Grace came ashore in Mexico for a second time. First, it came across Cancun, and now it's moving into eastern Mexico. It came ashore as a Category 3, the first major hurricane of this Atlantic season. It will quickly dissipate as it crosses the mountains, but the energy from this could end up in the Pacific and then reform into yet another tropical cyclone. If that happens, it would get a brand new name. Now, all the way out near the Cape Verde Islands, there is a tropical wave that the Hurricane Center is watching, for now giving it a 20% chance. Notice it's going to end up in the middle of the Atlantic. Closer to home, it is going to be hot and humid today. Lots of sunshine, just a couple of clouds here or there. High pressure building in from the Gulf of Mexico, plus dry air, plus Saharan dust. That's going to limit rainfall, not just today, but tomorrow as well. This afternoon, just an isolated shower or storm. Any active weather will be to our north or on the western side of the lake. And then as we head into tomorrow, a slightly better chance of picking up a shower here or there, about a 30% chance. But again, most will be dry. The storms will be scattered about. The big story today, though, the heat. When you factor in the heat and the humidity, it's going to feel like 100 to 105 today. So certainly take it easy during peak heating. Otherwise, the forecasted high today, 93. The record 96, so nowhere near that. But nonetheless, it is going to be just a really toasty day today. A 20% chance of a shower or a storm. We're generally dry. Tomorrow, 92, a 30% chance of a shower or storm. On Monday, slightly higher at 40%.